everyone! As a new parent, I have learned a lot about the financial considerations to keep in mind when considering starting a family and also working. Today, I'd like to give you a few tips to help make the process a little bit easier. When you're ready to announce your pregnancy, talk to your human resources department about your options. Ask about any pay you might receive while you're on leave and find out how many weeks you can take off. And don't forget, your human resources department can also tell you about any state-funded paid family leave benefits you might qualify for. Depending on your employer, you may be eligible for paid leave, but it's important to have a plan in place in case things don't go as smoothly as you hope. For example, if your benefits are coming from the state, they may be at a reduced rate, so it's important that you're prepared for that. How does that affect your ability to pay your bills during that time? Next, let's talk about going back to work after maternity leave. It's important to think about your work schedule and how it may change. Will you be keeping the same schedule? Will you need to adjust your hours so that you can be home more often? These changes can have a big impact on your monthly income, so it's important to take that into consideration. Finally, let's talk about budgeting. It's a good idea to take a look at your current expenses and budget and see if you can set aside some money each month for a baby emergency fund. This could help with things like hospital bills, maternity leave expenses, childcare costs, or some other unexpected costs that may come up. Finding a work-life balance is achievable with the right resources. Understanding maternity leave, paid family benefits, flexible schedules, and budgeting can make all the difference. Remember to prioritize your well-being and that of your family. Ask yourself this: what kind of support system can I work on now to make my transition back to work easier?